all bright and early this morning, but we're going to take a look at the SoundPeats. They released a new pair of headphones. These are the SoundPeats Breezy. And as we can see here, these are open ear, 90-degree adjustable earphones. So again, we did a set of headphones or earbuds a couple days ago. Also in regards to something that is kind of open ear design. These ones though, let's see what they talk about. A 12 millimeter driver inside them, 5.4 Bluetooth, which is nice. Directional sound technology, extended battery life, low latency for gaming, open ear, lightweight design, long battery life, intelligent touch controls. Nice thing about these, of course, is they are fairly inexpensive. So right now on, looks like SoundPeats' actual website, this is, I believe, in Canadian dollars, I think, like $40. So $40 is pretty good for really any kind of earbuds, headphones, you know. This is them right here. So what we're going to do, of course, is open the box here, and we'll take a look at what comes inside, and then we'll connect it to my phone. So let me just crack open this box. Nice box though, nice design. Nothing wrong with that design at all. Some information here on the back, and this opens up. Oh, it's a nice little opening right here. Very nice. There's going to be your earbuds themselves. And of course, inside here, you should get some extra gizmos and gadgets. See if that opens up. Oh, it's right in here. So we get a little SoundPeats. Oh, it does have an app for some settings, I would believe, on the actual earbuds. You have, I don't even know what this is. Maybe little stickers, possibly. User guide. And of course, you're going to get the USB-A to USB-C cable. Very nice. I do believe I have the SoundPeats app in here, so let's just take a look. So I do have it. It's just downloading right now, but that's fine. We'll get to that in a little bit. Move that up here. And these are them. So case-wise, a little bigger than some cases that we see right now. Nice design. I like the little SoundPeats logo that's kind of in the actual, you guys can see it, right? The little SoundPeats that's in there right now. That's nice. And of course, there's going to be your USB-C charger right there. And anything else on the front? Doesn't really look like anything else in regards to, like, let's say, battery power. I don't see any lights on there. Oh, maybe there's something on the front. We'll see. It opens up. There they be. That's a nice gate. So there's a little indicator right there, but it doesn't seem to have anything in regards to like how much power. So, you know, if it has 50% power left in the case, etc., etc. But we'll put those just right there. And first off, we'll go into Bluetooth just to see how these connect. See if it just opens up right when the actual earbuds. Yeah, so as soon as they open up, you'll be able to see them. So SoundPeats Breezy. Here we go. Connected. Sweet. And these, I'm trying to just think how they go in. This is on the right hand side. So I'm guessing that just goes over your ear like so. Does it have any tape or anything on it? Just to make sure. No tape. I'm kind of curious just to see. I'd like to see a picture in here maybe that lets me know how you put these in your ears. All right, so yeah, so they kind of just sit like so. They have them so they're sitting like it looks in the picture like they're like this, but that's just no way. It's got to sit. Oh, this moves. Oh, see, look here. Now here's the only little bit of issue I have. See how this piece here moves? That's pretty loose. There's little click points, but it is like fairly movable. So if you put it like that around your ear, and like this, and click, I guess it's okay. So same idea here, right? This piece moves up and down. So you could open it up, and then you just kind of, I guess, just kind of get it where it needs to go, right? So, like so, I guess. And again, the nice thing about stuff like this, being open ear, is that I guess I do like that movable piece. I wish it was maybe a little snugger, because I feel that if you just touched it by it, it would click. But I guess it's not too bad. Maybe a little tighter would be good. I kind of have it in how they have it in here, a little bit of a downward angle. I'm guessing somewhere in that range. Let's just see here. So first off, I have blinding light here. Let's just see if I can hear anything. All right. Definitely versus the earbuds that I did the other day. Definitely more bass for sure. You know, I totally forgot to turn this light on, but that's okay. You guys are, it's early, so early. Okay, that's not bad. But again, it's not the same kind of volume you'd get with, let's say, actual in-ear earbuds. So if you're looking for that, you probably want to look for in-ear earbuds. But if you're looking at something that is something you can wear long term, like for a long period of time, the nice thing about these, as well as like some of the other ones that are this design, is that they're ridiculously comfortable, right? They're like so comfortable. You could easily wear these. And what I like about them now is that a lot of these companies are really kind of, I want to say, figuring out how to make earbuds that have that comfort, because a lot more people are wearing their earphones for hours and hours on end, or earbuds hours and hours on end. And because of that, at least for me, I find anything that goes in my ear, once I get like an hour, I really don't want to have them in there. And maybe that's just my ears, but it is something that's you have to think about, especially if your ears aren't designed to fit earbud X, right? But something like this, because it has that movable hinge on it, and you can kind of move it around to kind of figure out where you get that best sound and kind of, I don't want to say lock, but kind of adjust the hinge so that these are in that right spot. Pretty good. Now, they're not ridiculously loud, but I would say they're definitely loud enough. Bass-wise, they're surprising. I didn't expect them to have as much bass as they do. So the bass and the treble and the sound itself is actually really good. So actually quite pleased with that. Based on the fact that these right now are like $40, $40 for a pair of earbuds that are super comfy, like really comfy. I'm gonna say not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. And then these, of course, when they go in, you will say that these are the connectors right there, right, for where they charge. So you just kind of figure out where these are going. They may have to bend again just a little bit because they're gonna kind of go in like so. But in and off, they come in like in and off, in on and off, on and off. They go in really nice. They fit good, and then boom, you're charging. So yeah, I would like to have seen, because I can't see it anywhere on here. I would like to have seen somewhere that has like a battery indicator to let you know how much charge is actually in the charging case. But it may be that this light doesn't seem to flash different. It may be at 100%, but it would be nice to have, especially nowadays, at least 4 lights on the front that give you an indicator of if it's at 25% or 75% or 100%. Anyways, yeah, it's not bad. It's a decent size. Like, they're not crazy large. They are a big case, fairly big case, but because of the design of the actual earbuds, you kind of need it. Sound quality, they're definitely getting better. And I like the fact that there's a bunch of new kind of technology coming out in regards to comfort, right? Having that comfort and still getting decent sound. Again, you're going to get better sound if you have something that goes in your ears and has a good seal, or if you go into headphones and things like that. But definitely a great step in the right direction and fantastic price. Anyways, I'm going to leave links down below to SoundPeats. You can look at a whole bunch of their different earbuds and things like that they sell. I may see if they have this on Amazon as well, so I'll put a link down to that too. And that's it. Go check out their stuff, and we'll see you guys next video. Later.